Welcome back to our Near Protocol Smart Contract series. In our previous videos, we learned about functions. Today, we are focusing specifically on mutable functions, what they are, when to use them, and how they differ from read-only functions in Near Smart Contract. What is mutability? Mutability means able to be changed. In most programming languages, you can change variables freely, but Rust is different. Variables are immutable and changeable by default. Let's create a function to see it in the action. We'll create public function increment, and here we'll write our variable, let's be counter2 equals 0 and counter2 equals 5. Our variables in the Rust immutable by default, so here it will be an error because you cannot change immutable variables. To fix this error, you need to write mute. The mute keyword tells Rust, I want to be able to change this variable. This prevents accidental changes and makes your code safer. Let's consider functions that change construct data. Struct. When functions need to change construct data, they must use mute self. So here we write ampersand mute self. The mute self means give me mutable access to contracts data, struct. Without it, Rust won't let you change anything stored in the contract. Let's upgrade our counter by 1. Here's the important difference between read-only and mutable functions. Read functions can be called by anyone for free. They don't write anything to the blockchain. Change functions can only be called by Near account, since they're required to expand gas to execute. We'll learn more about this in future videos. That's mutability in Near smart contracts. Remember, Rust variables are immutable by default. Use mute when you need to change data, and make sure your functions take mute self when they need to modify contract state. Struct. Subscribe for more new tutorials and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.